Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. So in our video today, what we're trying to do is to bring in a Sentinel-2 land cover data that was downloaded from the land cover Tech Explorer. We're using the ArcGIS for this. So let's get straight into it. So I'll quickly bring in my shapefile that I just downloaded. So I think it should be my download. Yes. Okay, the image has come in, and if I want to open the attribute table, presently there will be no data there. So to activate the attribute table, I'll simply go to my symbology, change this to unique values. Once that is loaded up, I have my value class. So because I have already worked on this before, I have the class created. So let's go through it together on how to do that. So once you have done the unique values process, you'll take note of the value class, and we'll quickly open our browser. I'll show you the classification that I used. I'll share the link on the description. So this gives us an idea of the various classes and the class value. So for one, we have 1 to be water bodies, 2 to be trees, 4 to be flooded vegetation, 5 crops, 7 built up, and so on and so forth as the case may be. Once I've gotten that, I impute that in. Then I'll calculate the area as well. Calculate field. My formula is count multiplied by the pixel size divided by 1 million to get my area in square kilometer. Once I'm done with that, okay. That runs, and it's simple as that. With that, you've been able to bring in your image, process it, calculate the area. You can even go further to a raster clip of your study area and whatever you're maybe interested in doing as the case may be. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget, if you found this quick tip helpful, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Once again, thanks.